Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Young here and welcome to a Metal Gear Solid 5 news update. Silence has been broken for a question that many people have been asking. Will Ground Zeroes and the Phantom Pain be released together or separately? The question was answered when Kojima released a fact sheet for Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. And that's right folks, that's the new name for Ground Zeroes, Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. And the fact sheet clearly stated that it is the first segment of the Metal Gear Solid 5 experience, and a prologue to the larger second segment, Metal Gear Solid 5 The Phantom Pain, launching thereafter. As for when Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes is set to release, the fact sheet states that it would release for PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Xbox 360, and Xbox One sometime in spring of 2014. That's right folks, we'll be getting our hands on the first part of the Metal Gear Solid 5 experience in the not-so-distant future. Now, what about price? The game will launch on retail stores for a price of $29.99 for current generation versions, but if you download the game digitally, it will only cost $19.99 for current gen versions and $29.99 for next gen versions. For those wondering, what about retail price for next gen versions? The information was not provided, leading me to believe that only current gen versions will be made available for retail purchase, while next gen versions will have to be purchased digitally. And with that, I would like to end this news update, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for more as I compile information from the press release, and to be further updated on Metal Gear Solid 5, be sure to join the nation and subscribe to Young Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much, and Young out.